Life is a journey filled with triumphs and trials, highs and lows. There will be moments when you will feel discouraged, exhausted, and tempted to throw in the towel. But I urge you, in those moments of doubt, to take a step back and remember why you started in the first place. In life, we are faced with numerous obstacles that test our resolve and resilience. These obstacles may come in the form of failures, rejections, setbacks, or even personal challenges. It is during these times that we must summon our inner strength and find the motivation to keep pushing forward. One thing to remember is that failure is not the end, but rather an opportunity for growth and development. It is through failure that we learn valuable lessons, gain wisdom, and acquire the skills necessary for success. Thomas Edison once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." His persistence and refusal to give up ultimately led to the invention of the light bulb. The road to success is not always smooth, but it is those who persist, who get up each time they fall, that ultimately achieve greatness. It is the individuals who refuse to be deterred by setbacks that leave a lasting impact on the world. Moreover, embracing a positive mindset is crucial when faced with challenges. It's easy to get overwhelmed by negative thoughts and doubts, but remember that your thoughts have power. By focusing on the positive aspects of your situation and believing in your ability to overcome obstacles, you can shift your perspective and find the strength to carry on. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals who believe in you can also make a significant difference. The power of a strong support system should not be underestimated. They can provide encouragement, guidance, and a helping hand when the going gets tough. In conclusion, never underestimate the power of perseverance and the importance of not giving up. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Maintain a positive mindset, surround yourself with support, and believe in your abilities. Remember, it is in your moments of struggle that you discover your T. Never forget that success does not happen overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and unwavering determination. There will be setbacks and moments of doubt, but quitting should never be an option. Use these setbacks to learn, grow, and adapt. With every failure, you are one step closer to success. Remember, you are stronger than you think, and you have the power to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Surround yourself with a supportive network of family, friends, and mentors who will lift you up during challenging times. Seek advice and guidance from those who have walked a similar path and have achieved what you aspire to achieve. In the face of adversity, it is important to stay resilient and keep moving forward. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth and personal development. Use them to refine your skills, expand your knowledge, and become even more capable than before. Never underestimate the power of your dreams and the impact they can have on your life and the lives of others. You have the potential to make a difference in this world, but it requires perseverance and a steadfast commitment to never give up. I urge you today to dig deep within yourself and find that fire, that burning desire to achieve your goals. Embrace the journey, the ups and downs, the victories, and the setbacks. Remember, success is not just about reaching the destination. It is about the person you become along the way.